All right, welcome back. Now, still not forget, say, we want your mouth on top the matter, but you're going to need to follow us on top Twitter, at Princess Uwi, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skimpy. What do you think about this equality bill, this gender equality bill, make man and woman get the same rights? What do you think about them? You feel, say, the right move? You feel, say, they right at all? Let us know your own opinion. Follow us on top Twitter again. I will call our Twitter handle. I know they always want stop to the talk.
I know, they switch you to talk.
Not be say they switch me. I want to let the conversation flow online. So follow us on top Twitter. All right, let's move on to this next story now. How many of you, I will start with question. How many of you, if you see 10 million naira for ground, you go return them?
Skimpy.
Would you? Think about the present economic hardship. Think about how bag of rice don't increase to 15,000. Think about how it is very hard for you to buy chicken and you see 15 million for ground. You go return them. Well, while you think about them, you go know say our policemen, they are very, very wonderful. As on Wednesday, Inspector Abiona Ezekiah and Sergeant Ogumbuyi Agbagu, they say both of them, they compensate them by Lagos State's Governor Ambode, he commend them with 250,000 naira cash and also recommendation letter. Why you would ask the question, why in give them this money? Now, because these police officers, they return 5 million naira where it fall for one bank bullion van when they carry the money, go their bank for inside Alausa for Ikeja. Now, according to the Lagos State Task Force public affairs officer, they thought the two policemen will be Inspector Abiona Ezekiah and Sergeant Ogumbiyi Agbabu. They say both of them, they attached them to Lagos State Environmental Sanitation and Special Offences Unit, and they'll be there on duty when they actually see this 5 million naira fall from the bullion van around Alausa. But now, they don't actually give them the money. They say they give them because of their honesty, as they keep the money until the gas return and talk, say, come, this bank will have money for grounds. Ladies, what do you think about this one? If you say that with this move where Lagos State Governor don't make now, it go to make a lot of people they return money with them see?
No.
Why?
Not at all, Uwe. Now, for me, I don't expect, fine, the cash compensation, they okay, but I don't expect them go just give them cash compensation of 250,000 naira for returning 5 million.
250,
and then,
wait, better than 250,000 naira only. Put only.
Okay, now bank transaction,
okay.
250,000 naira only. And then they go stop at that. Maybe they expect them go promote them or something and increase their salary so that at least in the long term, the money they enter. Because if not me, sorry, if not me, I pick 5 million, return them. You give me 250. I go there, beat myself every day, say, why I even return this money? Because after all, nobody did it when they pick them. Nobody knows say they pick them. So then if even decide, say, you know what's in, make I keep the money, at least then go down there like 2.5 million naira richer each, and then no say they still did their position as waiting them be. But so no promotion, follow them, no nothing.
They give them recommendation letter.
What thing I want use and do? I want carry them go America, make them employ me.
You know what's happen? We don't say honesty. Now, very few people now they honest for this country now where we dey. Now, make when you see few people where they honest, you're supposed to reward them well. Now, like that part where you thought if now you then give 250K out of this 5M we draw for them, where then go return, you go they beat yourself every day. Now, you know say these two men will go return this money. If they not beat themselves every day, their family feel they beat them. Even friends around, yes, and because people, yes, because automatically people will just start and say you just die you just die poor. Because no, for person to see 5 million, you know, and then you can't look your condition, you know, say your house rent they there. That probably no be you they even, no be you get house where you they live in, house rent there. We know how hard the country there. You know, say you go need buy for, you go need you feel even they get light, you know, get generator self to they give yourself light. You go just think of plenty things. Now, amidst of all of these things, so you think about, you can't look say, now make a go return this 5 million naira. You know, say better you talk and say two of them, 2.5 million. You know, say one person get on these days, if you think well, you no go poor forever again.
As in?
Yes, if you think well, person no go poor, but you know what's happen. Even if they give them 250K, that's still something.
I don't say no be anything, but I expect like a promotion. Because yes, at the end of the day, 250K,
because they no work for them. And now for you to be honest, you're not supposed to expect, say, because of say you dey honest. You're supposed to say already, you're supposed to be honest in
at the same time, for that position where they don't expect them to be honest. Because first of all, like, they ask myself how money go fall from bullion van. That driver and the security people who follow the van, they need to beat them.
Of course. And they need to answer questions.
Which kind of mistake with that?
For me, I don't know when we will get to a point where we really understand for Nigeria, say the reward for being honest, not be always money. The long-term needs now actually matter. That's why I actually go with Betiana and they talk about why not promote them, increase their salary. This is a long-term satisfaction. Say, yes, I return this money. Why 250,000 naira? Like now, we just hear for paper. What if behind the scene they talk, say, come, this 250,000 naira, you go pay tax. Tax, you go pay this one, you go pay that one. At the end of the day, just 80,000 will actually enter their hand. If you make them dissatisfied, other reports they talk say the people not even they happy with the 250,000.
If now you go there happy with that 250K after you don't see 5 million. If now me said another incident of that thing happen again, I did tell you I no go return that money. Because I don't see I'm saying, okay, if I return, I'm nothing there inside for me. So why I go even return them?
But you know what me they preach for here. If you dey honest, no expect money in return.
That is it.
If you dey honest,
but
no
you know with the way
we
they go for
so
Nigeria,
most of the time, thank you, they okay.
You know what? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With the way they show for Nigeria,
okay.
they show say the only reward for you being honest, na money. So if the money can't be very small,
you're going to be disappointed.
Okay, so why did I do it? Why I return 5 million? It's just, as in how you look at now. Very, very...
Because the point I be saying, you feel no return that 5 million, you feel invest them into something, maybe say at the end of the day, the thing crumble. Sure, you get the thing go forever there on your conscience. Say, if say I don't know, I don't return that 5 million that time. Sure, you understand.
Very
so
true.
Sometimes just settle down for thank you. Whether they give you 100K, I be 1K, I be 250K. Just you know.
All right, now moving away from you rewarding person with money. Now another state governor don't do something where he defend for money. Don't be saying give him 100,000 or give him 200,000. He do something where he make the student go house, they smile. Now here's a Delta State governor offer automatic employment to the best graduating student of 2014 and 2015 session. His name now Mr. Marcus Osayugbo.
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 And this is not your place.
Osayugbo.
I'm not your place, so you go correct immediately. Osayugbo. Osayugbo. And he actually studied mathematics. And now they don't give him automatic employment for inside government or position. And also, apart from that, they don't give him free tuition fee for him to go study in PhD abroad.
See, this is
Shaka for Delta.
Una too much, Abi.
We tend
So what do you think about this reward?
Now, this is not a reward. Now, if any other students where they school, they look this kind of thing, then go agitate to say, okay, myself, I want to make sure I come out as the best for inside what I do because I know say at the end of it, something there inside for me.
Something
now,
good, in
something
long
good,
term.
Thank you. Something long term there inside for him because it then motivating enough. Now, assuming I give this guy 250K, the other guy will come out with first class for inside Unilag, Dada.
Yes.
I did talk on the other day. I say it was in a Delta State. I sure said then go do something totally different. Because come on, you know if you tell me say you don't know, say person you indigent from your state do this kind of great thing we never happened before, and then you don't do anything. Later you can't say okay you want to celebrate them for government's house. Everywhere they say they want to celebrate them. You know they enough. You know they enough at all. Especially when it be say not be something where it be say they come out every day. We need to celebrate these people. And this one, Governor Okowa, I see you very soon.
I tell you, Governor Okowa, the incumbent governor of Delta State, and an actually commendable one. Because they're not, I know say for my own university then, if you get first class, then they give you 50,000. So at a point, some people not even come for the convocation because they'll be like, me where they hustle to get money. Now 50,000 will come make me travel, go my place to go collect the bank, whatever, the bank transactions now, checkbook, the check. 50,000 naira check. But now, if you see reward like this, say you get first class, they give you automatic employment. Apart from that, they further your education abroad.
We no go pursue first class.
My sister.
People go begin pursue.
You go read that read.
Exactly. Because the point I be say, it's no easy. And now, you know, say as you take talk, I like when you talk and say before, say if not your state, say then go reward this guy. Now, this is now waiting other governors for other states suppose now begin shook eye inside. Say, okay, yes, for people to commend this man, say give this guy employment and something. Yes, that means me too for my state, I need to do something like that. We not tell you say compulsory, they send the person go abroad, make the person go further the study, but at least give the person job because we know see this country where we there, when it comes to job, plenty people they sweat. They sweat. So people don't graduate from 5 years ago, they never get the job. So if they come see opportunity, say, if I come out from school and I get some opportunity to get government work, people go begin hustle.
Apart
to
from
come out with
government
very
work,
good results.
Skimpy, make I just quickly say this. Now, not before the governors to say, okay, I won't do this one, so people go say I do them. Now, just need to understand, say, these people, if as their brain take hot way, say, then take pass so like this, if they not get job to do goodness for inside the state, then go use and do badness. Now, majority of the criminals that they see, not be because, say, they know, some of them are graduates, when no see job to do, that not be the justification for any of them. But just the talk, say, to say they appreciate them, then all these things go down reduce.
All right, yes, what you think about this particular one, let us know on top Twitter. Follow us at Princess Uwe, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skimpy. Now, last week, we hear of two legends for inside the music world we actually die. We hear of the first one, Prince, Wake By, and the second one, Papa Wemba. Now, a lot of people know I'm in a Congolese musicianship, now in B. And people they always talk, say, you need to always check yourself. You know what happened? They say in slum, as if they perform on top stage, and are there, he actually breathed a last breath. Now the video of when this Congolese musician Papa Wemba be die on top stage. Now they say him be the perform when he comes slump for inside Ivory Coast, when he comes slump for stage, and then people actually tell him bye-bye because they rush him to hospital, but before then, he don't actually cry. Now he died at the age of 66. Plenty of people don't pay their tribute to this man because in that person way being, they say he actually gets the blend of African, Cuban, and Western sound. And he don't become one of Africa's most popular music musician where he come with his own style. Now the style we actually bring inside, the style not come out our African tradition, the style not come out any other tradition, but he just blend all of them together. Papa Wemba may so rest in peace. That's all we can actually say on top of this matter. All right, on that note, we're going to need to buy some more break right about now. When we come back after the break, we get Cocoa of the Day for you. We get our motivational quotes and also better manners of the day. Ladies, we are talking to you today.
Files, the bad guy. My name is Mike Aremu. Ladies and gentlemen, they also calling me the What's Up guy. Make una not stop to the watch Talk on top Wazobia TV. Una not bone this station. Don't change it.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.